guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, The Life of Alex W. So in today's video, I'll be giving you guys the full details on this Valentine's Day look that I created here. Now I wanted to go with a sweet, subtle look and just a pop on the lips. Now if you like this look already, go ahead and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys are really thinking. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to your girl's channel, show me some love. I'll be sure to leave all the details down below in the description box and also throughout the video. But go ahead and sit back, relax, get comfortable. We are about to get started. Okay guys, so we'll be switching over to voiceover for the remainder of the video. So I'll be using my Nubian by Juvia's Place palette. Now this is a mini palette. I'm going to be using that tan color and that darker chocolate color just to create a natural vibe behind my eyelids. Now this lighter tan color you can hardly see, but I'm honestly just using it as a guide. When I use a darker tone, I tend to almost go all the way up to my eyebrows, and I don't want that. So that is why I am using that tan color here. And that is my son harassing me. Oh my goodness, he's harassing me. And then here comes his father. His father is harassing me as well. Y'all, anybody want him, I'm giving them away. Let me know. Okay, as I stated earlier, we're going to use that darker chocolate color. I'm just going to place that on the center of my eyelids. Then I'm going to go side to side with it. And then I'm going to work my way up. Again, you don't want to go up too far with this. You don't want it to be on your eyebrow. Then I'm going to take my eyeliner and apply it now just to give it a chance to dry before I put on the lashes. I'm also going to put some mascara on my eyes now just so the lashes can have something to stick to. I am using the Fenty Beauty matte foundation. This is in the shade 450. Absolutely love this foundation, guys. Now I tend to swipe mine in, and then I will go through with my foundation brush and actually press it in. This just gives me more of a full coverage, I believe. What works for me may not work for you, but this is how I apply my foundation. Okay, we're going to use that Juvia's Place concealer. I have it in the color J11. We're going to apply that to our chin, our nose line, our forehead, and of course under our eyes. And I'm not going to do a hard contour. I'm just going to, I want everything to be soft and subtle and just not so dramatic. So I tend to go all over the place with the contour, but I am not going to try to do that this video. Like I said, this is just going to be a subtle beat, guys. So ladies, we are going to apply our setting powder. We are not going in the oven today. We are not baking. We're just going to apply that setting powder, and as soon as we put it on, we're just going to pat it right into our skin just to get that concealer to set onto our face. We're going to do our under eyes. We're going to put some on the tip of that nose, of course our foreheads and our cheeks, basically everywhere that we put the concealer. Now we're going to go to the other side of the contour, and y'all know I love to use my Juvia's Place palette for this section. That brown in this one is just perfect. I love that it's powder and not liquid and creamy because it goes exactly where I need it to go and no further. So this is what we're using to do finish our contour. So we're going to seal all that in with our Morphe Continuous Mist Spray. I love this, guys. I haven't found a finish like this. If you guys know anything better to use, definitely drop down below in the comments and let me know. Put your girl up on game. I'm going to use my NYX coat. Wait, did y'all see that? Wait. Sis, what is going on? Okay, so we're going to apply that lip liner to our lips. I am wearing a red lip today. It's going to be the MAC Ruby Woo, and the red tends to like always bleed on my lips. So I'm going to be applying this lip liner first, and then I'm going to apply concealer around that as well, just so it doesn't bleed so much. Now this video is all over the place. Now y'all know I was distracted. I told y'all my husband, my son was all in here. So I'm going to apply my highlighter first. I'm so mad I didn't do this before I put the mist on, but that's okay. Now we're going to apply our lipstick, and then we're going to do the concealer after that. So guys, just keep on watching. Okay guys, we're working our way towards the end of this video. Now again, I said we're going to apply some concealer around the perimeter of our lips. This is totally up to you. You guys don't have to do this. I just know my lip bleeds, or not, you know, literally, but that red tends to slide all the way across my lips when I wear it. But this is really almost the final look. I'm going to show you guys a few pictures right after this scene. So go ahead, stay tuned for that. If you haven't already, hit that like button, comment down below. Subscribe to my channel, y'all. Show me some love, and I will see y'all next time.